On June 12, a tragic disaster struck the skies of Ahmedabad. A London-bound Air India flight crashed just seconds after takeoff, killing more than 250 people. 241 of them were passengers and crew. Now, new questions are emerging. Was the RAM air turbine or RAT deployed moments before the crash? And if so, then what does that really mean? Let's break it down all for you. First of all, what is RAT, that is RAM air turbine? Well, it is a small propeller-like device found in many modern aircraft. Think of it as a last resort power backup. It generates power using the wind when an aircraft is in motion. And when is it deployed? Well, it is deployed automatically or manually if both engines fail, if there is a complete electrical failure, or if hydraulic systems lose power. Once deployed, the RAT powers critical systems like flight controls, navigation and communication tools, and basic electrical and hydraulic functions. So what happened in Air India crash? The Boeing 7878 took off from Ahmedabad but crashed within 30 seconds. The plane hit a residential building near BJ Medical College. The lone survivor, Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, reported a loud bang, power outage inside the cabin, a flashing green light, and that the plane stalled mid-air and couldn't climb. A video captured by a student also purportedly shows a protrusion under the plane, believed to be the deployed RAT. Aviation experts confirm this theory by analyzing the high-pitched squeal heard in the footage and sudden loss of altitude. Now, what does RAT deployment suggest? According to aviation experts, the RAT only deploys if both engines lose power or all electrical systems fail. Experts also suggest that the aircraft had no primary power left and that RAT is most useful at high altitudes, not during takeoff. RAT deployment points to a critical emergency, likely dual engine failure. But the Air India aircraft was just at 625 feet, too low for pilots to stabilize or return. The cause is still under investigation, but the signs are troubling. Now, as more data emerges, investigations will piece together the full story of flight AI-171. But were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.